আসসালামু আলাইকুম। কেমন আছো তোমরা? আশা করি ভালোই আছো। আমিও ভালো আছি। আমি মোহাম্মদ ফজলে রাব্বি প্রামাণিক, সিনিয়র টিচার, পুলিশ লাইন স্কুল অ্যান্ড কলেজ। আজকের সাবজেক্ট হচ্ছে ইংলিশ ফর টুডে। লেসন কন্টাক্ট ক্লাস 4, ডেট 19/9/2020, সাবজেক্ট ইংলিশ ফর টুডে, ইউনিট 40, এ গার্মেন্ট ওয়ার্কার্স ডে। লেসন 1 থেকে 2। লেসন পার্ট, রেশমা ইজ এ ড্যাশ সেল দেম। পেজ 80. Learning outcomes. Student will be able to recognize sound difference in the context of words. Recognize which syllable in a word is stressed. Student will be able to recognize which word in a sentence are stressed. Understand statements made by the teacher and students. Enjoy and understand simple stories. স্পিকিং আউটকাম গুলো কি দেখো? Student will be able to repeat after the teacher and say words, phrases and sentences with proper sounds and stress. এবার আসো রিডিং আউটকাম। Student will be able to read words, sentences, phrases in the text with proper pronunciation, stress and intonation. Read short paragraphs, dialogue and simple letters. Read silently with understanding paragraphs, stories and other text materials. Today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of new lesson is A Garments Workers Day. What are you seeing in the picture? Think about it. Perhaps you can see a picture of garments worker. They are seeing making garments in the garment factory. You can also see a river erosion, a picture of river erosion, and a lady you can see she is making nokshikatas. These are garments worker. A rickshaw driver, you can see a picture of rickshaw driver. Accident. There is an accident between a truck and bus. You can see a picture of factory. It is producing a lot of smoke. You can see a picture of younger with river. You can see a picture of river. Now I am reading out the passage. You listen carefully and try to bear it in your mind. Reshma is a garment worker in Dhaka. She is 18 years old. Her family came to Dhaka from a village 8 years ago. There was river erosion in her village. They lost their home, so the family came to Dhaka. Reshma's father worked as a rickshaw driver, but he died in an accident. Reshma's uncle Ratan helped the family. He found a small house for them at Kollanpur. He took Reshma to a garment factory in Mirpur. She works there now. Her younger brother Babul goes to school. He is in class 5. Her mother stitches nokshikas at home and sells them. The garment factory is 2 kilometers from Reshma's house. In the morning, she walks to work. Some of her friends go by bus, rickshaw, or scooter. She works from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Reshma likes to go to the cinema, but she does not have much free time or money for this. She often works extra hours until 6 p.m. so she can make more money. Her family needs this money for food and other things. এখন তোমরা সবাই silently you read the passage silently. Choose the correct answer. এটা তোমাদের কাজ। What does Reshma do? এখানে 4টি উত্তর দেওয়া আছে। 4টির মধ্যে কোনটা সঠিক এটা তোমার টিক চিহ্ন দাও। 2 নম্বর হু ইজ বাবুল? এখানেও 4টি উত্তর আছে। যেটা সঠিক প্যাসেজ থেকে তোমরা পাবে সেটা টিক চিহ্ন দিবে। হোয়ার ইজ দ্য ফ্যাক্টরি? এখানেও 4টি উত্তর আছে এবং তোমরা সঠিকটাতে দাগ দাও। এরপর তোমাদের অ্যান্সারগুলো মিলিয়ে নাও। Reshma's brother in Mirpur. এখন তোমাদের অ্যান্সারগুলো মিলিয়ে দেখো ঠিক হয়েছে কিনা। Homework. Answer the questions. Who is Reshma? How old is she? Why did Reshma's family came to Dhaka? What was Reshma's father's occupation? You all try to find out the answer from the passage. It's very easy. It is not so hard. If you try to find out the answer from the passage, it will be very easy for you to find out the passage. Thank you. See you tomorrow.